Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can find out who has unfollowed you on Instagram. There are a couple of basic methods and there are a couple of different methods that you can use, so make sure to follow this video till the very end to see all the steps that you have to take to use this method correctly. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is go to the App Store and download Instagram if you haven't already. After doing that, you will want to enter the Instagram application. After signing up or logging in to your account, you will be greeted by the main page. Clicking down below on your profile picture will take you to your account page. After doing this, as you can see, I have already deleted all of my followers, but I will be showing you how to do it and how to see if somebody unfollowed you. The first option is doing it manually without actually downloading a different application. You want to do this by going to someone's profile that you follow, or you can just go to your followers and search their name. You see, I don't have any followers currently, so I will be going to their followers and you will be able to search here your full name. After searching your Instagram name, you can see that they are not following me. This is the basic method that you can use to see if somebody has unfollowed you. But yeah guys, this is maybe too difficult and will take too much time if you search for everybody specifically. So there is a different method, a different application that you can use to do this a lot easier. You will want to exit the application and go to the Play Store. After doing this, you will want to search the following term. Just type in unfollow and find out what comes popped up first. You can see here there are a couple of applications. You don't have to worry, they all work. This first application seems very good, and after downloading this application you will just have to log in to your Instagram account, and this will enable you to see who has unfollowed you and which people you followed and do not follow you back. So guys, after doing this, you will be able to see a lot easier who is not following you, and you will never have to search it manually in Instagram ever again. So guys, this is the basic method that you can use to see who is unfollowing you. So I hope that you will have no trouble with this method, and I hope this video has helped you. So guys, thank you for watching and take care.